Welcome to Sizzling Delights, where we turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes. I'm your host, Dontae Miller, and we're about to get in the kitchen and cook up a mouth-watering recipe. Now, grab your popcorn, grab your snacks, because this movie right here is about to be filmed in front of you. See you soon. Here are the stars of today's show. We've got fresh sausage, succulent crab meat, and of course our hero ingredient, large elbow macaroni. It's time to let these ingredients shine and create a masterpiece. Let's begin. First things first, we need to cook our macaroni. So we're going to add our salt. We use at least 3 to 5 turns of salt. And then we're going to add our large elbow macaroni. Now we're using actually the large box and all the macaroni. Woo! Ooh, that was hot. Not as hot as these sausages are gonna be. I wonder if I'm making this too. Yeah, that should make them done. Safety first. Hands away from the. Alright folks, so as you see right here, I've already added my elbow macaroni. I've added the large box that I purchased at the store. That cost about, let's see, like $3 to $4, depending on what grocery store you decide to go to. We are living here in the Bronx, you know, it's a little pricey here. But I'm actually going to leave my elbow macaroni in here until perfectly al dente. I'm going to leave it here actually for like, let's say 8 to 10 minutes until it's actually done. Not soggy or anything, but I'm going to stir from time to time because I've already added the salt. So as I stirred, the noodles will perfectly be finished for perfection. So I already have my friend over here on the side, already chopping up the rest of the ingredients, and we will see you at the almost finish mark. Alright, side note folks, some people do not like their stems in their spinach salad. So FYI, make sure you remember that for future reference. Here we are folks, we're adding our ranch dressing now to our salad as our chef is almost just about done with the meal. And as we see right here, our pasta dish is just basically done. Now, lastly,